Moldy gym.
My size 9.5 feet in a size 5 flip flop.
No, don't open that nasty moldy bread.
Can I help you too?
Oh, this is giving me a mustache. Look, right there is mustache. Mustache. Will you buy me a Chanel bag if I eat it? That's enough. No, Ellie, you can't eat this.
What?
I'm not eating it either.
What?
Nasty times in this house. Well, hello, moms. It is I, your bald-headed fairy godmother. Mammy Cring Cring. As you guys know, I have been doing a series on our channels where I am testing out all of these hacks that we see around the internet. Specifically on channels like 5-Minute Crafts, Troom Troom, 1 2 3 Go, Woohoo. I mean, the list goes on and on. So this video is no different than the rest. We will be trying a new video. What shall we be trying? 13 crazy life hacks that actually work. What's that channel called? Troom Troom. All right, time for our first hack. Let's take a look. And let's make sure I am turned down. You guys know I am not about that copyright life. Peel an avocado, dice it, okay. Smash it. A deodorant container. Bruh. What? Hold on. I think we need to have a conversation. Okay, first of all, is this a deodorant tube that you've used and now you've cleaned it out and now you're supposed to put food in it? First of all, is it even food safe? You know, there is a such thing as things being food safe and non-food safe. Second of all, if you're gonna do all, why not just mash the avocado and leave it in the fridge covered with plastic or something? Like, but that doesn't matter because I have to do this life hack. If I have to suffer, so do you. We're gonna see if it works. It probably will, but it makes no sense at all. And it just seems so unsanitary. Like, I don't know. I don't understand. I was supposed to do this hack about 2 weeks ago. So I don't know. I have an avocado in the fridge, but it's been sitting in there for 2 weeks rotting. So let's see if it's still good. All right, there's a couple rotten things in here. There's a rotten banana I was supposed to use. Oh, here's the avocado. It seems pretty firm still. Okay, got my avocado. Let's see if it's rotten. Something jumps out at me when I open this. Okay, it's not bad. Look, it's not bad at all. There's a little rottenness at the top there, but I think it's still good. All right, so we got our knife. I'm just gonna mush this out. This is how I normally get avocado out. I don't have time for nothing else. And take my fork, I'm gonna mash it. They cut theirs in chunks, but no. And fun fact, I hate avocados. I know you're an avocado lover, don't get mad at me. We all have our own things. Okay, I think that's mushy. It looks properly like baby food that either baby has pooped out or threw up. So I think that's a win. Remember I told you guys I was supposed to do this 2 weeks ago? Well, the producer bought me bread for this. It's been sitting in Tupperware for 2 weeks with no air. Want to see what happens to bread when it sits like that? Well, you're going to. This moldy gem is, yeah, I was supposed to use this about a week ago, but I don't even think Troom Troom has a hack to make this bread good again. But have no fear. I think we can still get this done. I have this secret deodorant that is fresh. I hate wasting a deodorant, but I don't keep empty deodorant tubes. Oh, there it is. Can I keep this deodorant? Is it worth it? It smells really good. Oh, it's like breaking off crumbs all into my lap. So now we're gonna clean this out so we can make this something we can eat. Never thought this would happen to me in life. Thanks, Troom Troom. Hurry up and get out. I gotta make some avocado toast. As I suspected, that is not working. So we are going to have to still make our hack. What does that mean? We get some delicious avocado deodorant toast. I'm gonna do it. I don't care. We're gonna do it. You're going on this trip with me. I guess I could just put it all the way down to the bottom, and then fill it up. So now I'm gonna take this. Troom's out here saving lives. I mean, whoever knew we needed a deodorant tube full of avocado? I love you, Troom. You're always making my life that much better. But then if you didn't make these things, I wouldn't have anything to make a video about, would I? Who's the one clout chasing now? Me. I'm a clout chaser. I'm chasing that Troom clout. I'm old. So when I heard clout, I thought they were saying cloud. Listen, don't you need some new deodorant?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's your new deodorant. And you know what else you guys need? You like?
Avocado.
Avocado toast. Well, Mommy, the genius that she is,
There's avocado in there. I don't want
I have combined the two, so you no longer have to worry about your avocado toast. You can just spread it. Gather Mommy a piece of bread from somewhere. Yeah. No, don't open that nasty moldy bread. Here we go. Is there a little hair right there? There's a little hair on my... Here it is. That's No, Ellie, you can't eat this.
Why?
I'm not eating it either.
Why?
Because it's like medical, it's not even food grade. I will admit it smells good, but do not eat it. Poppy!
Yeah.
Come here. Or look down here. I made a delicious avocado toast
Don't eat it.
deodorant spread. Will you buy me a Chanel bag if I eat it?
Yes.
A real Chanel bag.
No,
Chanel
legit.
bag.
From where?
I have to decide. That is so. That's making me want to yak looking at it.
All right, I'm gonna taste a little corner.
Mommy, you got your new Chanel pores.
Okay, on to the next hack. Oh, her foot. Okay, somebody just throwing their foot in your face, just like my children. No! I refuse. I refuse. Oh my God. Okay, that's it. This is the highest level craft I've ever seen. No, 10 out of 10. Winning on at all costs. Look at, can I help you too? It is Gucci flip-flop time. Gucci flip-flop.
Oh, more Gucci.
Gucci flip-flop. Gucci flip-flop. I didn't think I'd be able to bring back the Gucci flip-flop. Let's see if we still have it. If you guys didn't see the first hack video we did with Gucci flip-flop, take a look at this flashback. Gucci flip-flop. Hey girl, get your Gucci. Wait, is this the sign for sale? Gucci flip-flops, Gucci flip-flops. Hey, Gucci flip-flop, Gucci flip-flop.
Leave a like if you like this video.
But wait, what is that to the side?
A thumbs up.
Leave
a like. Make sure.
Leave a like. That sign, I was gonna keep that my whole life. I saw from the other video, it was a beautiful Gucci flip-flop sign. We can't find it. But Ellie has decided to combine the two signs from that video into one for me. And if you don't know, what's that little thing right there?
A thumbs up.
Thumbs up, right? Mm-hmm. So hit that like button. I have 2 baby white packages here. And I got some Gucci flip-flops. Now, we're gonna have a little dilemma right off the bat because whoever decided to buy these for me, there's Holly. She helps us with all of our crafts and stuff. She's our producer. You know who you are. These are a size 5. I am a size 9.5. Let's see what this looks like. So that should add all the character we need to this video. My size 9.5 feet in a size 5 flip-flop. There it is. I am Sasquatch, and this is really making me look like Sasquatch. The first thing we're gonna do, if memory serves me right, we're gonna get this sucker off of here. These are not name brand flip-flops. These aren't Gucci's. And they're more like Uchi. Uchi flip-flop. Hey, Uchi flip-flop. Oh, you moms out there, I'm solving all your problems today. This is the product you never knew you needed as a mom. The kids get a boogie, pull out a Uchi flip-flop. Passy falls to the ground, pull out an Uchi. I'm gonna put this on here. Hot glue summer, hot glue summer. God, we made it. We made it so sweet. Uchi, Uchi, Oochie, oochie, oochie. We're gonna overlay that like that. And if you wonder why I can't do my own shopping for this, because trying to do these crafts and shopping for them, whoo Lord, if you think I'm crazy now, be mommy insane asylum. I mean, what YouTuber wanna see this smoke? None. Oochie scoochie, oochie scoochie. So all the moms at the playground are gonna be so jealous. I think Karen, Becky, Susan, they're all gonna be like, oh my gosh, she's always trying to show off with those Oochies. Our Oochies are homemade. Well, they spent real money at the store. Sorry, Karen. Sorry, Meredith. Sorry, Josie. Sorry, Becca. Sorry, Holly. This craft is taking way longer than I thought. Let's give these bad boys a try. There is my first Oochie. It's a little tight. Mama's feet are a little swollen. What you say, shoulder pants? Ah! Get off my Oochies. Look at these Oochies. Oh, girl. Look at these Oochies. Let's see if Oochie, a little tight. But we gonna make it work, sus. Ha! I think the stickiness is sticking. Oh! That's right. All right, you want to try these Oochies on? All right, let me see if I can get a Oochie wipe from you. There it is. Oochie. Hold on. Next video, I'm making Swiffer shoes. Look how those look like the Swiffer, and you just pop the Swiffer out the top. Okay, the magic of the Oochie has ended. And let me just say, that video took a lifetime. That craft took a lifetime to do. Now for the next video. Oh, more shoes? Wait, what? But why? I don't understand. Why are we doing this? I don't get it. What? Okay, so we want to be healthy and work out. And what better way to motivate ourselves than to make Snicker bar dumbbells? So as soon as you work out, you can go ahead and eat one of the Snickers and give yourself a treat. That's what we're doing today. Okay, moms, like really, what am I doing? What am I doing with my life? I need a drink. Halloween time, so I have lots of Snickers. We don't have that chrome tape they had. I have duct tape. I have a feeling it won't matter. Am I gonna have to take paper towels completely off the roll just to make this craft happen? Because once again, I don't know anyone who just keeps paper towel rolls in the house. OMG! Thank you, Lord. We use so many paper towels in this house. I have one of them. Oh man, I wonder if I could, no, it won't be big enough to do double. Okay, let's see if we can find another. Where are the paper towels in the house? Slot this sucker down. Oh, almost hit me in there. Okay. Look at me. I'm the smartest mom.
What you doing? Can I want those candy bars?
Those aren't candy bars. Those are fitness tools. My husband asked, I'll just blame the kids. Usually works. This is where we are so far. I think it looks good. Nothing about this screams homemade, does it? No. There we go. There we go. That's it. I can't do no more. Can't do no more. Don't care what nobody says. I don't care. We did it, girl. You looking good, girl. Got our 2 pipes. We're gonna start gluing our Snicker bars right there. Now I'm gonna take some more glue. Stop eating candy, Ellie. Ha ha. Say something to me now. I got one side of my weight done. Now let's do the next side. Keep my face away from the hot glue. It's dripping. Oh, Jesus. Main line. What? Ooh, this hot glue is hot. We got one done. You are jealous of my fun. Cover girl, work, do your thing on the runway. Okay, I think we're ready. Let's get physical. You are jealous of this. I have the plan that's gonna make us billionaires. We no longer have to struggle as struggle YouTubers. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
You're not ready.
I'm ready.
You're really ready.
I'm really ready.
We're gonna change the snack, candy, and health industry. Ready?
I'm ready.
Snicker dumbbells.
Wow.
Look at this. I'm winning.
Wow.
Let me see you work out. Let me get that. Ooh, let me
Yeah,
get that flex. Get that flex. Get that flex. Flex. How's the weight? Is it taxing you? Is it heavy? See, and then what you can do is, once you did that workout, you can go ahead and eat one of your Snickers. And what's great about this is that there's like little sayings on there to kind of motivate you, like ghastly, frightful, what is that? Thrilling. You see what I'm saying? So then that you have a good time. What are you doing here? Okay, I came in here to show you my $1 billion idea, but I'm leaving now. That's it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this episode with Mommy Cray Cray and family. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That's it. Don't you try to steal my idea that I stole from Troom Troom. See you later. And Ellie, I better not catch you trying to eat the Snicker bars off this weight.